How to make Snapchat account private. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can make your Snapchat account private. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Snapchat application. Once you do that, go ahead to your profile section and from the appear screen, go ahead and click on gear icon. Now scroll all the way down and then click on contact me. Now change your settings to friends. Once you do that, go back and then go ahead and click on my story. Change the settings to my friend only and go ahead to quick add section and then disable that notification. So go ahead now on your my location and then go ahead and click on your my friends only to share your location. You can also turn on ghost mode and you can also hide your notifications. Once you do that, your account will be private or your account information will only be visible to your friends only. So this is how it is easy and simple. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.